In this video, we will study what is marginal cost. See, marginal cost is the change in the total cost when an additional unit of output is produced. If you are producing, when your output is 1, your total cost is, let's say, 10, and when your output is 2, your total cost becomes 15, and then so on. So the change in your total cost due to producing one additional unit of output, that is your marginal cost. So your marginal cost is the addition to total cost due to the addition of 1 unit of output. Your marginal cost is same as your variable cost. Okay, you interchange your marginal cost and variable cost equally. So your marginal cost is your total cost of n term minus total cost of n minus 1 term, or your marginal cost is change in total cost by change in your quantity, right? So here your MC is your marginal cost, your TCN is the total cost of n units of output. Your TCN minus 1 is the total cost of n minus 1 units of output. If you have 1, 2, 3, 4 units, then let's say you have to calculate the marginal cost of 4th unit, then your 4th unit is your TCN, and your 3rd unit is your TCN minus 1. Change in TC is change in total cost, and change in quantity is your change in output. So now let us calculate with the help of an example. See, this is the table I have made, right? So now, in order to calculate your marginal cost, what will you do? You have to calculate your total cost, that is 10, 20, 28, 34, 38, 42, 48, 56, and here 72, right? And what is your marginal cost? Is total cost of n minus TCN minus 1. 10 minus 0, you do not have any marginal cost here for the 0 quantity. 20 minus 10 gives you 10. 28 minus 20 gives you 8. 34 minus 28 gives you 6. 38 minus 34 gives you 4. 42 minus 38 gives you 4. 48 minus 42 gives you 6. 56 minus 48 gives you 8. 72 minus 56 gives you 16. So this is how you calculate your marginal cost. Let's plot this marginal cost on the diagram. Output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then you have your, you can take it on the scale of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. Let's make the graph now. At output 1, your marginal cost is 10. At output 2, it is 8. At output 3, it is 6. At output 4, it is 4. And then 4. And at output, say, it is again 6 at 6. Right? Then 8, it's 7. And then it is 16 at 8. So what are the points we've got? This is point 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6th point, this is 7th point, and this is 8th point we've got. So let's join all of these. Let's join these points. We get a marginal cost. So this is the marginal cost curve, which is the U shape, or the variable cost curve. You can call it as marginal cost and variable cost. Now we need to derive the formula of your marginal cost. See, we've done your marginal cost is equal to your total cost of n minus total cost of n minus 1. Right? Now let's understand that your marginal cost for nth term can be total variable cost of n minus total variable cost of n minus 1. See, 10 minus 0, 10, 18 minus 10, 8, 24 minus 8 gives you 6, 28 minus 4, 4, 32 minus 8, 4, and then 38 minus 2, 4, 46 minus 8, 8, 62 minus 6, 46, 16. Why is it so? Because your total fixed cost is constant. So if you take out the constant common, so you can calculate from your total variable cost also your marginal cost. So let me help you to derive the formula how we did this. So your marginal cost of n is equal to your TVC of n right? I told you that this was the formula we did here. This can also be the formula for marginal cost calculation. Now, how we derive this formula, let us see. We have the formula that is marginal cost of nth term is equal to total cost of n minus total cost of n minus 1 term, right? Now, your marginal cost of n, what is your total cost made up of? Your total cost is made up of your fixed cost and variable cost. So we can divide this into two parts. Total fixed cost of n plus your total variable cost of n minus your total fixed cost of n minus 1 plus your total variable cost of n minus 1, right? And now we can open up this bracket, total fixed cost of n plus your total variable cost of n minus your total fixed cost of n minus 1 minus, as bracket opens, your minus plus become minus total variable cost of n minus 1. So what you can do, you can cancel this out. Why? This is because your TFC remains constant, same, So you can cancel these out of your n term or n term, it will be the same, total fixed cost will be the same. So we've derived this formula, which is your marginal cost of a net term is equal to total variable cost of a net term minus total variable cost of n minus 1 term. So this is the formula we've derived. So with this, we complete your marginal cost. I hope you liked the video. Please download our Scholars Learning app and enjoy the learning experience with us.